Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and opening settings. This saves time later. Once you know your Android version, go straight to Settings, then Display or Accessibility. Different vendors place controls differently. Make sure an app or sample text is open for live preview because you will change values and watch results. You do not need extra apps yet. Try built-in controls first. If you see both font size and display size, focus on font size initially. Those are the precise controls for type scaling. You now adjust the actual controls. Move the font size slider towards smaller to reduce text scale. Small increments help avoid unreadable text. Once done, check display size. That changes icons and UI spacing, so make sure the interface still fits. If your device offers a preview, use it to compare before and after. Otherwise, open an app and scroll to inspect headings, forms, and menus. You might combine both sliders for best balance. Make sure text remains legible for your eyes and touch targets stay accessible. Finish by applying changes and testing across several apps. User interfaces sometimes cache sizes, so reboot if behavior looks inconsistent. If system sliders don't reach the smallness you need, consider accessibility font options or a reputable third-party launcher or font app, but be cautious with permissions. If text becomes too small or overlaps, reverse a step. Increase font size by 1 or 2 clicks or reset display size. A key troubleshooting tip: reboot and then check safe mode to isolate launcher or app conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.